So you guys, I made 2 cups of white rice. I made it last night. It kind of looks a little bit colory because I used a little bit of soy sauce. So you guys, as I was beating my eggs, you're going to pour them into the pan. You're gonna let them cook. Now you're gonna stir them. Of course, you're gonna have to let them cook. So you're gonna stir your rice with your eggs, and of course you can put whatever kind of spices you want. In the beginning of the video I showed what kind of spices I like to use, so you could just pour your spices in. So I forgot to mention I made chicken for this one. This is chicken fried rice. I'm pouring in my chicken. I cooked my chicken with onion and my spices. Now we're gonna stir this, and while we're stirring all the ingredients together, you could go ahead and be putting in your spices, salt, pepper, garlic, whatever kind of spices you want, but most important, don't forget your soy sauce. So you're gonna put soy sauce on it. Depends how much you want. You could add more to it. You could have very little. It just depends on your flavor. And you just stir your rice, eggs, and chicken together. And don't forget to add your ingredients. So you guys, this is how my chicken fried rice came out. Hopefully you guys like this recipe. Go try it out for yourself and let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know how it tastes.